If we want to understand why so many people are not feeling well and feeling even sick these days, we have to take a look at the truth about our food supply. Because of soil erosion, most of our foods no longer contain the amount of nutrition that they did just 50 years ago. Can you imagine that one orange in 1950 could take as much as 20 oranges today to have the same amount of vitamin C complex, vitamin B complex, and vitamin A complex? No wonder so many people are dragging. They don't have energy. They don't feel right. In order to restore your energy, to restore your health, and to bring you back to where you should be, we need to restore these missing deficiencies, just like we have to untie a rope that has a knot in it to have a straight rope again. If you'd like to know more about nutrition response testing and how it could restore your health, visit our website at michaelformandom.com.